Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the new ransomware called Neqp. This ransomware Neqp is, by the way, from the DJVU ransomware family. It may happen that because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Neqp ransomware may be injected into the computer. It is called Neqp because the ransomware encrypts files and appends this Neqp extension additionally to the file names. No matter what files you try to open, you still get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Neqp additionally appended extension. Trying to remove this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted, so before we were able to open our files without troubles. Sadly, because of this ransomware attack, we are no longer able to open the files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting your data recovered. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start investigating your computer with its help. The software is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So definitely this is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware or malware. So don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. I want to let you know that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files in the future, but it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. The scanning takes place sometime. It typically depends on various factors, but at the end of the scanning you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware and to get your data protected. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.